telling you, I've been doing that. They taught me some good stuff. When I was 10 or 12, they taught me how to wrap pipes, and man, my Chrysler them made me a locksmith almost, locks and everything. So I just picked up so many trades all along the way that, you know, as long as you don't forget, you're in business. You know, okay, Ray, you got your picture now. He always, when he put up a fan, he take a picture.
And I was doing the video of it on 3 speeds.
Okay, Ray. Wrap it up now.
I'm almost done.
Okay. And make sure you just got the fan in the picture. Okay. Yeah. He's a successful man. Okay, Ray.
I'm almost done.
You got a new socket in there too.